welcome to kitchen. Oh my god, sorry. In the kitchen with Kinsley. I'm Kinsley, by the way.
And this is Kinsley.
I said that already.
And Kinsley wanted to bring to you part of our Thanksgiving meal.
Yeah,
And this is, Kinsley wanted me to get this book. We were watching Down to Earth with Zac Efron. Remember that? Mm-hmm. And Zac met with Ella. And Ella had some really great recipes. And Kinsley and I like vegetables more than anything else. So I'm going to zoom in here so that you can see what we're making. So that you can see the ingredients. I'll also post them.
By the way, if you
I hope this isn't backwards for you.
Thanksgiving for, it might not be Thanksgiving for you guys, but we're just doing it for Thanksgiving because we want to.
Yeah, so we're excited because what does this have? Do you remember?
Oh, yes.
This has
Cranberry.
Pomegranates. I was going to save those till last because they're your favorite.
Pomegranates.
So Kinsley's excited because this has pomegranates in it, and that's one of her favorites, and you can see them in the picture.
So let's show them all.
But, well, it also has Brussels sprouts.
And
they say to use potatoes, but we like sweet potatoes more. We have, what kind of?
What is
we have chili flakes, and we're going to add a little more because we like it spicy.
Yeah.
We could not find hazelnuts.
Yeah, we couldn't find hazelnuts.
So what did we decide to do in place?
Oh my
do you
gosh,
remember?
I forgot the word again.
Pecan. Pecan or pecan?
Pecan. Pecan.
Depends on how you pronounce it.
Yeah,
and then you also have olive oil, salt and pepper. You have blanched hazelnuts, but we're doing the pecans.
And some maple syrup.
And maple syrup. And we have the maple syrup here. We also like it spicy. And so Kinsley and I have decided...
This type of maple syrup like this one.
Yeah, so Kinsley and I decided, since we like it spicy, that we're going to put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there too. And so what we're going to do right now, we've already done all of our cutting for you, right?
Yeah.
Kinsley worked really hard. She went from a full pomegranate to, this is only half of what came out of her full pomegranate. And look at that. And she was covered in red.
Yeah,
so now, what do you want to do? You want to put it on there?
So I'm going to just like put my hands. Yeah, so my hands wasn't the same.
And I suspect that Kinsley's going to use more of the pomegranate seeds because it says a half a cup, but we have a little bit more than a half a cup because we love pomegranate, right? And Kinsley's wearing one of her favorite shirts today.
It's not because it's my favorite.
Although we should...
Yeah, I know.
Whenever you're in the kitchen, you want to make sure your sleeves are rolled up, your hands are washed.
Mine are, since I washed
Yeah,
my
Kinsley has washed her hands 3 times now. And I'm going to go ahead and we love pecans, so we put a little bit more pecan on here as well. I'm going to go ahead and put on the maple syrup. Oops, hold on. Let me turn you down here so you can see what she's doing. Sorry about that. We're going to put some of this on like that. We will probably end up doing a little bit more maple syrup as well.
To make it a little bit more sweet and salty together. So, we made sweet potato fries in one of our videos.
They still stand out to you, the sweet potato fries?
Yeah, I love sweet potatoes.
So I think on almost every video, Kinsley likes to tell everybody to check out the sweet potato fries.
Yeah, on every single front of the video, you'll see my sweet potato fries. Like.
So we did a little pepper, did a little salt. We do the Himalayan salt. Now we're gonna do. Kinsley's still doing the pomegranates, and I had a feeling this was gonna happen. Kinsley has completely doused this in pomegranates. Now we're doing the chili pepper, or the chili spice. And we have to wipe it out a little here. Oops, sorry about your hand.
It's fine.
But yeah, I think the thing that caught Kinsley on this is that she loves pomegranates.
Yeah.
And this is pretty much it. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil on top of it because I didn't bring the oil over. I forgot to. We're doing a little bit of cayenne pepper.
5, so I think it might be like a 5. It's just like a short thing.
Yeah, this is just a little short clip.
Yeah,
we already prepared everything for you. Are you ready to sign off?
No.
No? She's still doing more pomegranates, as you can see. She loves pomegranates.
Can I have more pomegranates? Do not.
I'm just turning that a little.
Do not.
Okay. And so if you would like to subscribe to us,
Do not
to
say that
Kinsley. No, not yet?
No, we're not going after the end.
We're trying to make it a short one.
No.
Well, Kinsley is eager for this to turn out and have something to eat here, I'm sure. And so I'm going to come down to you.
On?
We can later. Okay? So anyway, we just wanted to thank you coming to visit us today. And
That needs to be more on the
And
side.
she's not ready to go yet. Come on down a little bit so they can step off of here. Here, step down. Step down. Kinsley. All right. That's enough fingers in it. Okay. So, yeah, now you put your fingers in it. It has maple syrup. So that's probably a good thing on what not to do. And if she gets ready to put it in her mouth, then she's going to go wash her hands before she comes back. So this will help you guys understand a little bit.
6-minute video.
Okay, so, and what do you want to tell them now? Do you want them to go visit your sweet potato fries?
No, there's also 2 different salads, but they're all in the same video, which is of my dad.
Yeah. And so Kinsley would like you to subscribe
And
to her.
some cookies, but you'll not see us bake them in the cake.
She would like you to subscribe. You can
No,
click on the
not
end.
yet, not yet,
And we
not
thank
yet.
you for being with us
Say
today.
hi,
Come on
Kit Kat.
down.
You have
Come
to
on down.